The San Luis Obispo District Attorney has looked into the case where two angry, misinformed garbage women were recorded kicking, punching, and disturbing a man with the camera. What did they decide to do? Absolutely nothing. They sent two letters, one for each of the females involved. Both letters stated they were declining to prosecute. I have to assume that they did not watch the footage and made this decision based off the report alone. Apparently this is acceptable behavior in San Luis Obispo. What's weird is there are multiple witnesses that described the incident as an assault.
And you got assaulted.
Yeah, you guys see that? Yeah, it's all good. I'm fine. I know.
No, but that's fucking assault.
Yeah.
Yeah, because they've been assaulting.
Yeah.
Yeah, she was definitely hitting you.
Yeah.
It's all right here, and we saw everything basically when she punched you and kicked you.
Oh, you got
Okay.
the cameras there.
There's documentation of Officer Parsons explaining the law on assault clearly.
An assault isn't necessarily landing a punch, it's the attempt to punch somebody.
Got you.
The assault becomes a battery when that attempt lands and it's successful. So
Okay.
that's what, when you hear people all the time in the media say, like, assault and battery, well, they're two different things, and that's what it means.
But most importantly, the entire incident was captured on multiple cameras from multiple angles. With all this evidence in mind, I find it hard to believe that this decision wasn't motivated by the fact that I'm well known for doing something that certain people don't like, documenting everything, and standing up for my right to do so. So if you're curious why the San Luis Obispo District Attorney is okay with innocent people being assaulted on camera, you have the right to ask. Thank you for watching, more to come.